Vanakkam, GEESYS Technologies India Private Limited. Over 15 years of experience in manufacturing electrical distribution system, GEESYS becomes a trusted and time-tested brand in India. Today, we will explore one of the most essential component of solar power system, the solar AC distribution box. It's also known as solar ACDB, a critical component ensuring efficient and safe distribution of AC power from the inverter to load. It is built for systems up to 6 kW, 400 volt AC, 3-phase systems. This solar ACDB accepts one input from solar inverter and provides one output to local grid or customer loads. This solar ACDB is being manufactured under Shield series. In general, these solar ACDBs are integrated with the multiple safety components such as MCBs, SPDs and etc. Here's what makes our solar ACDB is the best choice for your solar power system. PC enclosures. GEESYS is the only company uses 100% of its solar DBs from glass-filled virgin polycarbonate materials. Our enclosures are tested and certified for fire retardance, UV resistant, increased protection with IP65, impact resistance with IK10. Output of solar inverters is connected to our solar ACDB as an input with 6 square mm terminal block. It is polyamide, fire retardant and screw type. These terminal blocks plays a vital role in ensuring safe, efficient and organized distribution of solar power within the solar ACDB. Output of the ACDB is connected to grid or load with 440 volt 4-pole 32 amp C-curve AC MCB and are certified to BAS and IEC 60898. Our MCBs are electromechanical device. It trips to interrupt the circuit during the short circuit or overload, and also it can be manually reset without replacement. We have used 4-pole 3-phase 320 volt AC SPD suitable to TNCS earthing system and are certified to IEC 61643 part 11. With a maximum current of 40,000 ampere, this SPD works by diverting the excess voltage to a ground, shielding the components like inverters, panels from over voltage and lighting induced surges. The powder coated GI mounting plates undergo a regressive 7-tank pre-treatment process, ensuring enhanced structural integrity and compliances. And it prevents the movement and vibration that could lead to a wear and tear. These mounting plates evenly distributes the weight of the components, reducing the stress on any single point and ensuring the long-term stability of the ACDB. GEESYS provides wall mounting clamps to secure the ACDB to a wall or to a structure to ensure the stability and durability and also balanced load distribution. Input, output and earth cable entries are from the bottom through fire retardant PG glands. GEESYS uses only flexible copper cables, FRLS insulated, certified to IS 6947. Sufficient space provided with the end spaces between the components, especially between the MCB and SPD, to reduce the intensity of the fire in case of abnormality. Organized and streamlined wiring, enhanced durability, improved performance and reliability with a professional wire harnessing system to wire the components in this solar ACDB. This ACDB contains ferrules and component identification marking. It significantly enhances the traceability of wires for future maintenance. GEESYS uses only polycarbonate stickers and labels with a 3M adhesive to ensure longer life. Every solar ACDB undergoes strict quality checks and routine tests with a factory routine test report provided for assurance. We have provided unique serial numbers and barcodes to enhance the traceability. It ensures superior after-sale support and better customer service. Our solar ACDBs is built to provide unmatched protection and long-term reliability. GEESYS branded solar ACDBs is a perfect addition to your solar power plant. To experience the future of solar safety and performance, choose GEESYS Solar ACDB today. Happy solar powering!